People are just doing what they can to try to step up and help out after the storms yesterday.
Yeah, Bristol Motor Speedway is helping collect items in a Food City tractor trailer that will then take those donations to Nashville at the end of this week. Febin Casahoon spoke with those who were involved in the relief efforts.
The Tri-Cities community never shies away from an opportunity to give back. Today, I witnessed that firsthand as people dropped off donated goods at a Bristol Motor Speedway parking lot in the hopes of providing for their fellow Tennesseans in need.
We're all family, and no matter what happens in any part, we're all God's children, and we should give, even if you have a very little to give.
Many Northeast Tennesseans were counting their blessings as they stopped to donate to relief efforts for Middle Tennesseans a day after deadly tornadoes swept through the middle of the state.
By the grace of God, it could be me, and I have family down there, and I just felt like they needed the help.
For some, it hit too close to home.
My daughter has experienced it in Florida with Hurricane Michael at Panama City, and there were so many people that gave and was there for them. She was a college student at that time. She was actually homeless.
Things like bottled water, non-perishable food items, and toiletries are being accepted in the tractor trailer. A large need is cleaning supplies.
Things that when you think of if there was a disaster or a big mess that you needed to clean up and people were also homeless, what else? What would you need?
The support on the drive's first day has been overwhelming.
The great thing about this area is when something happens, they are the first ones to respond.
We have been amazed. We know that we live in a very generous philanthropic community, and people have just been car after car coming and showing up.
The collection drive continues tomorrow and Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. The tractor trailer will then head to a church in Nashville Saturday to drop off those items.